Nothing like a frozen water hose in the morning. Ooh. Ooh. This is how we slept last night. Kept it hooked up. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's on this sketchy hill. The campground's pretty nice. Not too bad. Going to swap over water hoses if I can get this off. So we can have a little water this morning. Yeah, that's gonna... Oh yeah, that's great. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh, don't mind that. All I did was unplug my water hose this morning, as you guys saw earlier. And I come around the corner, and it was just a leaking. And now the turkeys are like, ooh, I'm gonna get some of that water. Start my truck. You might get scared. Oh, they didn't go anywhere.
It scared that one.
Oh, that one in the back?
Yeah.
Well, I called the little lady at the campground, but she didn't answer. Like we're on a farm. Oh. I know, I tried to turn it off and it doesn't. Oh, hi. Hey. Got nothing to feed you guys. There's a lot of water though. Over there. Look at that thing. Hey.
It says there's something up there.
Oh yeah, it does see you now.
Get out of my way. No.
No, it just makes you look like a stick man.
You get a charge for a little bit? That's not bad.
It's okay.
It's only because it's really cold.
Yeah.
Look, it's showing me. Look, does it
32
show me
degrees.
waving?
No, it just shows you moving.
It looks like you're
Yeah. It's 32 degrees here.
Alright.
You have a
Alright.
nice trip.
Love you guys.
Love
See
you.
you in a little bit.
Bye.
Trying to get some diesel. And I don't know who designed this parking lot. We put a parking spot right here. This is what you gotta deal with. Hey, we'll make it work. This lady's like, oh, I'm gonna run into you. Ah! Make it work. Come on, baby, give me that fuel. All right, the only bad thing about driving this truck is when you're pulling, you see how it says destination till empty is 264 miles. Now, the reason it says that is because it knows that you're hauling a trailer, fifth wheel, whatever. It knows that you're hauling stuff, right? On a normal day, this truck on a full tank will be about 430 to 460 on a full tank. And I get about 14 miles a gallon on a normal day. So right now, it's sad. I'm getting 12.5. Pulling a 42-foot fifth wheel, not too bad. Also, 8-inch lift on 38s on 24x14, so it's really not too bad. I don't ever really talk about vehicles and stuff on this channel, but a lot of people DM me and always curious about some stuff, so I'm trying to answer as we go. And it's not bad. So it does stink that it does change your full tank ratio, but it's trying to keep you from being on the side of the road, which I get it. So it's just doing a calculation of what it should be. So this vlog all the way to Tampa, I guess is where we're going, and then Miami for a month. Ready to get out of this cold. I can't believe that water thing this morning. I called them, nobody answered. It said they open at 8 o'clock. Nobody called me back. So they may have an ice rink in a little bit. I don't know. So I did my due diligence. I did what I was supposed to do by calling and letting them know. So yeah, on the road we go. You ready, man? Yeah, he's got a full charge of an iPad. He's ready. All right, so that was diesel stop number 2. We probably have one more before we get there. You enjoying that corny dog, boy? I was eating a corny dog and he's like, Dad, where's my corny dog? I didn't know you. You said I wanted a donut, so I went and got him some donuts. But anyways, we're gonna get back on the road. It's like not much you can really vlog.
I didn't know you were getting a corny dog.
I know, I didn't know I was gonna get one either. And I saw some chicken strips and I was like, okay, maybe some chicken strips. And this lady ordered a corn dog in front of me. And I was like, dang, those corn dogs do look good. They're the State Fair ones, so like those are good. Who knows, they're probably just frozen and then cooked, but whatever. So a little snack before we hit the road. Well, while we're on the road. So you ready? Let's keep going.
Now that it's not blurry anymore, since it's not cold, it's now 57 degrees. We're in Tennessee now. said like there was falling rocks and we had to go through the mountain. And there was this waterfall. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty! It's so pretty! And Lily was like, what are you doing? I'm like, it's so pretty. I should have just grabbed the camera, but I had to just look at it instead without the camera lens.
Currently waking the entire RV park up with a loud truck. Everyone's in there brushing their teeth, getting ready. This is gonna be interesting to get out of here. It's very tight to get in last night. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. It looks like there's gonna be a lot of room, but this car decided to park there last night. So this is my current situation. So I've got a tree there. I didn't even unhook because it's just one night. Car there, tree there. Kind of went in the mud a little bit yesterday right there. No biggie, no biggie. We'll figure it out. She's over there for now. Let's go see if they're ready to roll. Nice RV little park, by the way. At the lake right there, views. It's pretty cool. Ooh, how about a little montage? That's over. What's up, Lily? Ready to hit the road? All right. Look like when they're going in from the inside. This is the bedroom slide coming in. Just throw everything on the bed. So they'll actually block that door. So if you want to boondock, you'll just have to open it to get to your bedroom. It's pretty cool though. So that's in. It's good to go. Also, so everything shrinks down. You can see there's just like maybe 2 inches, not even an inch maybe, where that comes in. I'm gonna do a video where I'm gonna mount a GoPro so you guys can see what it looks like as we're rolling. I've never seen it too, so I mean it's pretty darn close. And then on the TV, I've got straps. Makes me feel better. I don't know if it'll work, but here's a new light I just put in. That'll be in our update video. In a little sneak peek. Oh, can't see it back there. But anyways, got straps on everything. Kind of just put everything to the side. That over the table so it doesn't break our little fireplace. Just little things like that. Little zip ties because we got a PS4 in there. We don't want it to fly out everywhere.
Well, compared to this thing.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. I don't know how it even didn't even. So somehow this flew open when we were driving, closed back. And then this, yeah.
Over here on the couch.
The outside is coming in. It's pretty fascinating to see how this all works. Oh, and the window's open so I can show you in the inside, from the inside. So if you guys want to see, it's like, that's so crazy. I guess someone could like sneak through here if you wanted to. If you wanted to stay on the couch for the night, but that's it through the window. It's awesome how it just all like this compact and just boop. All right, little stop at the Cracker Barrel. You want to eat some Cracker Barrel?
Look.
What? He looks like he's going hunting. He's gonna go hunting. This lady just gets out of this. She's pulling, I don't know how big this is, but she's pulling this Honda here. And she asked me, she said, did I leave you enough room? I said, nothing against women, but I mean, women drive it or pull stuff. So we're gonna swap over and she's gonna pull this now. And that'll be good, right? Then I get the autopilot, get to hang out with my daughters, right?
Nope.
Hey, this lady's like, she was maybe in her 50s, 60s, just pulling this. No big deal, just, you know, that's a monster. It is a monster. So we're gonna swap out, Molly's gonna pull it. We're gonna be good to go. Let's eat some Cracker Barrel. Oh, I need a nap after that. The girls have already left. I'm letting my food settle for a quick second. She's about an hour away from having to charge.
I'm watching
And we're gonna hit the road in just a second when I could just hop into my bedroom in the back of the RV and take a nap, but.
And I'm watching YouTubers.
YouTubers!
Look.
Hey, no shouting them out. Just kidding. All right, on the road again. Here we go. So Jackson and I just got to this little RV park. It's literally like 7 sites, and the lady is just the sweetest. So she lives here, and it's like full hookups, $28 a night. Cheap, 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 but it's so nice. She owns 4 acres. I'll have to give you like a little tour. I don't know if I'm gonna unhook fully again. I don't know if I'm gonna. Actually, I haven't unhooked at all this whole trip to Florida, but we're finally in Florida. Sweet little lady, $28, took my money and good to go. And the sites are pretty big. So, time to hook to some electricity. Jackson is over there on the swing. Right there. She said just roam around, have fun. There she is. She has arrived. I only beat her by like 20 minutes or so. I'll tell her where to park. Welcome to Florida. The lady's super nice. Yeah. She's so sweet. She's like, you guys, you have all this room. You can go do whatever you want to do. I got 4 acres. I got swings over here. Swings over there. She's got free firewood for us.
Willow just fell asleep like maybe 10 minutes ago.
Oh, really?
She's been awake this entire trip.
Screaming half of it.
No, she was.
Oh, it's a little unlevel now that I'm looking at it. It's a little unlevel, but we're just going to be here for the night, so it's fine. Look at all the snow out here.
Is it snow? What is it?
Just kidding.
Sand.
Oh.
We go from snow to sand in a couple days.
Hey, sugar butt. Hey, sugar.
Mom, you remember white sand?
You wake up, you have a good nappy? Uh-huh. She said there was a swing over here somewhere and for us to go check it out. So that's what we're going to go do. She's like, if you go back in the trees, there's a swing. We will find the swing. We will. We have found the swing. It's a pretty nice little swing too. Wee.
You like it?
Whoosh. You almost got me. Whoosh. Tree. Is that fine? Oh, a bear! Huh!
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Like this.
Whoa!
Mommy, where's it go?
I put it in here.
Dude, you lose your smile. Oh yeah! What do you want for Christmas? Your 2 front teeth?
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Rinse your mouth out, it's still bleeding.
Oh, blood alert. So Jackson just lost his other tooth, and now he's missing both his 2 front teeth.
Right before Christmas.
That's right. I'm gonna literally we're gonna sing it. It's gonna be great. Just realized in 12, 11, 10, 9 days is my birthday. What should I buy myself?
Yeah, we can't buy you anything.
Why?
Because you usually buy your own stuff anyway. You don't even tell us actually.
Exactly. If I want, I'm just gonna go buy something.
Yeah, because you never tell us what you want.
Oh, my back still hurts today. Hey, no, it looks good right there. I never wear my hair. Look at that bald spot. Look at that. Oh, I didn't talk about that. That terrible, terrible haircut. Jackson and I, oh man, I hit the wrong button. I'm trying to turn down the radio and somehow no. Jackson and I had a little candy stop. We haven't even ate lunch, but candy first, right? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Your mom would approve. So now we're getting a little hyper, and we got about an hour until we get to where we're going. I think we got like an hour. Yeah, an hour and 12 minutes exactly. we took some way that didn't have any internet, so I had to like literally try to find my way just with a blue line, no map, just like a blue line, no service. And we finally got internet and Wi-Fi and diesel, so back to civilization. Isn't internet and Wi-Fi the same thing? Yeah, it is. You know what I mean? Oh, green light.
Daddy's coming. I know. He saw us. He is gonna run a surprise. They're here. We'll see if they can hear us. They can't see us yet.